doing lots of cardio is the best way to lose weight. Or is it? Actually not. So if your goal is fat loss, then logging kilometer after kilometer on the treadmill isn't always the best way to go about it. Yes, doing steady state cardio will add to your calorie deficit at the end of the day, but a better long-term approach is to focus on your strength training. And this is simply because the more muscle mass you have, the more calories your body automatically burns at rest. Combining this with some high-intensity interval training, permitting you giving yourself enough time to recover, and a smart nutrition plan is key when it comes to fat loss. So I hope this little tip helped you. As always, eat well, train hard, and I will see you back in the gym because gyms are reopened from today.